Here we can check select statement with aggregation and group by clause. So for aggregation, we have mean, max, count, sum, average. These functions supported. Okay. So here you can see that we are not using any group by and just running the SQL query. What will happen? It will go into this order item table and check all the product prices and return the minimum product price value. Similarly, here it will return maximum product price value. Here it will count all the product price values. Here it will sum all the product price values and return the result. And here it will calculate the average of product price value. So we can see all these SQL queries are returning only single value. Let's run this one. Okay. So no column name is provided. So you can provide an alias over here. What are the alias you wanted to provide? Okay. So if I run this one, I will get max value. If I count product prices, I'm getting this number 4722. That is number of rows are there. If I do sum on product price, I'll get huge number. Okay, and similarly if I do average, I will get some value. But always remember, here I am doing this aggregation on all the rows. Now if we want to do these aggregations on some groups, then what to do? So here we are doing this grouping on order ID column. Okay, and once those groups are formed, then we are applying this aggregation function on those groups. So if we run this SQL query, we will get order ID and whose minimum value in that particular group. We have created groups on the basis of order ID. Okay. Similarly, if we run max, we will get max value for each order ID. Same for count is there. Okay. So count means, so you can see that there are 5 count value for order ID. So we can say that in order items table, we have 5 rows for order ID 1. Maybe I can show you. Select star from this. Where order ID equal to 1. So here for order ID we are getting 5 records. So if we run this one, we can see there are 5 rows are there. Similarly, we can run all these other SQL queries to get required aggregation on respective group, that is order ID. Okay, now group by with having clause. So once we do the group by, we can also apply having condition. So here we can see that we are printing mean price. Okay, and we are getting all the order IDs with their minimum value. Okay, but let's say suppose there is a condition we wanted to apply, that only print the records who having minimum product price value greater than 2000. then it will again filter this result set and provide new result set. So now we can see that here around 1615 records are there. Okay, if I run this one, we will get only 329 records where minimum product price is greater than 2000. Okay, so we can see that in group by we are doing aggregation, and on this aggregate column we are adding filter condition using having clause. Okay, same thing we can apply for this SQL query where we are finding out max aggregation values with max aggregation values greater than 3000, then for count greater than 3, sum and average. So basically we can use all these aggregations as per the required requirement from interviewer. Okay, in some cases they are looking for minimum value, in some cases highest value. Minimum is lowest value, for highest we can use max. If they're asking for some specific count, then you can go with count. Most of the time they are asking sum. Average usually not ask, rather than average sometimes they call it as a mean. So for mean or average, for both the cases you have to use this AVG function. Okay, so that's it for this video.
So enjoying this video? Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching.